So this week's modifiers concept might be the easiest one yet. It's just incomplete comparisons. I'm not even going to use the book for it. I'm simply going to click on, and you can see I'm in the week 7 folder here. I'm going to click on the practice assessment that you have. The hardest part about this is going to be following instructions for some of you guys. So as I show you the setup to this, well, actually, we'll just go right to the preview. The instructions on the top say do not make an incomplete comparison by omitting other or else when you compare one member of a group with another. So it's unclear if you just say the Labrador Retriever is larger than any dog in the kennel. Any dog what? Any dog with 2 ears? Any dog with 3 legs? It's not clear. I get it. There's some common sense there, but simply putting one word in there will make it entirely clear. The Labrador Retriever is larger than any other dog in the kennel. The word else can do the same thing. There are more bats here than anywhere in the state. There are more bats here than anywhere else in the state. So essentially, we're just talking about adding either the words other or the word else to make our sentences clear. For this exercise, in each sentence, you're going to highlight the 2 words that are on either side of where that other or that else should be inserted. So the first example here, the only example, says the first poem is shorter than any poem in the entire book. You highlight any and poem because you would put other between those 2 things. So let me just show you the first sentence. I'm going to get this one correct if you follow along right here. The tree shading the front porch is older than any tree in the yard. Where's the word other or else going to go? Well, it's going to be other in this case, but it's going to go between any and tree. So you highlight both those words before moving on to the next one. Again, take this as many times as you like to get that perfect 10 out of 10 score in the grade book. Good luck.